For you already you are learn about the algebra in the lower class. You are learn some of the basic algebra. For algebra is a combination of variable, constants and mathematical symbols. Now you are going to learn some of the basic definitions. First, variable. A variable is a symbol which can have a various numerical values. Variables are usually denoted by the letters such as x, y, z, etc. For our next one is a constant. Constant means it is a constant is a symbol which has a fixed numerical value. That is a variable means it has a various numerical value. Constant means it has a fixed numerical value. Constants normally we have to use the numbers, for it is any kind of numbers. Positive numbers, negative numbers, fractional numbers, root values, decimals, all the one we consider as a constants. Next, algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables combined together with the help of four fundamental signs. Four fundamental signs mean that is a basic symbols: plus, minus, multiplication and division. Some of the examples, that is x cube minus 4x square plus 8x minus 1. For it is each one is called a term. For 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. The terms, it is the terms right together with the symbol plus minus, it is called a expression. For it is full and full using the that is a variable, so it is a algebraic expressions. Next one is a coefficient. Coefficient means any part of a term that is multiple by the variable of the term is called the coefficient of the remaining term. For that is, for example, for here x square is given. For x square coefficient in the before what you have, that is a coefficient, it is multiple with 1. For here the coefficient is 5, the x multiple with 5, so this is a coefficient. For this is called a constant. Next one is a polynomial. A polynomial is an arithmetic expression consisting of variables and constant that involves four fundamental arithmetic operations and non-negative integer exponents of variables. For that is, for it is more than more than 5 terms, more than 3 terms also we consider as a polynomial. For general form of the polynomial, it is p of x is equal to an into x power n plus an minus 1 into x power n minus 1 plus etc. plus a2 x square plus a1x plus a0. It is a general form of the polynomial. For generally, we are denoted the polynomial f of x, g of x, p of t and q of t and r of x, so and so on. Anyway, we have to mention for the polynomial we have to use this small letters. For next we have to find the given expression is a polynomial or not a polynomial. How we have to check? For we have some of the rules. With the examples we will see. For the expression is given, the first expression here given it is a polynomial. Polynomial, for why we say it is a polynomial? Non-negative integral power. The power no negative power is there, so it is called it as a polynomial. So in the polynomial no negative power. Next second question, 4x power minus 4 plus 5x power 4. It is given not a polynomial. Now why they given not a polynomial? This one power is a negative, so any negative power is there in the given expression, it is not a polynomial. Next, the third question, it is given it is a polynomial. The fraction is acceptable in the coefficient, not in the power. Next one, it is a next root 5 y square. So that is a polynomial, no in a negative power. Next, the next one, fifth one is a not a polynomial given. Why they are given as a not a polynomial? It is a positive power. This also positive power. But here the 1 by r is mentioned. For here explanation given, 1 by r is written as r power minus 1. So it has a negative power. So it is not a polynomial. Next one, 8 plus square root of q. This also not a polynomial because the square root of q is written as q power 1 by 2. So power fraction value, in the power fraction value also not acceptable for the polynomial. Next one, for the coefficient, root value is acceptable. In the power, it is not acceptable. So it is seventh question is a polynomial. Next one, it is not a polynomial because here given fraction power. So we conclude that in the how to identify the polynomial and not a polynomial. First you have to check no negative power, no fraction value in the powers. Next is standard form of a polynomial. We can write a polynomial p of x in the decreasing or increasing order of the powers of x. This way of writing the polynomial is called the standard form of a polynomial. For what is the meaning for this passage? For any expressions are given, we have to write it as an order in increasing order, ascending order or descending order for the powers. For example, for the first expression 8x power 4, 4 cube, 2, then power 1, then constant. For this one, for here it is in a decreasing order, that is a 5, constant, power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4. This is called a standard form. Arranging the terms in the power wise, that is a highest power to lowest power or lowest power to highest power. Next, degree of the polynomial. In a polynomial of one variable, the highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. Highest power of the variable. For example, for 3.1, 6ab power 8 plus 5a square b cube c square minus 7ab plus 4b square c plus 2. You no need to use the full explanation method. Just you have to check in the question itself. Power is 8 plus 1, 9. For here power is 9. For you add the powers. No need to worry about the variables. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. For here 1 plus 1, 2. Here 3. Now you check which is the highest. Power 9 is the highest. So degree of the polynomial. The degree of the polynomial is 9. Next you have the types of a polynomial. Already you know about it. For it is the monomial, binomial and trinomial. A polynomial having one term is called the monomial. A polynomial have two terms is called a binomial. A polynomial having three terms is called a trinomial. Previous one, it is based on the terms, it is based on the degree. Constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 0 is called a constant polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called the linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called the quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called the cubic polynomial. For the arithmetic of polynomials means, for arithmetic symbols you know, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. For here we have four types of problem, that is addition problem, subtraction problem, multiplication problem and division problem. For that addition and subtraction we have to use for the like terms. Like terms means you know, that is the same degree and same variable is called the like terms. For see that note, only like terms can be added and subtracted. Now example 3.4, given p of x is equal to 4x square minus 3x plus 2x cube plus 5 and q of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 4. Then find p of x plus q of x. First you write for p of x is equal to, first you have to check the given one in a standard form. No, it is not a standard form. So first itself you take and write in a standard form. P of x is equal to, in orderly you have to write 2x cube plus 4x square minus 3x plus 5. Then q of x, it is in the question itself given in order. So take and write. Now we want to find p of x plus q of x. P of x value first to take and write 2x cube plus 4x square minus 3x plus 5 plus q of x is x square plus 2x plus 4. Now in the last year I taught you, you make a group, then you have to add. Now you are in a 9th standard, you have to use a simple method. So no need to make a group. For 2x cube is there, for any other 2x cube values are there? No. So just take and write. Then 4x square, for here x square is there. So you have to add same sign. 4 plus 1, 5. 5x square. For it is x, it is minus 3 plus 2. The answer minus 1. So minus x. Now you have to add 5 plus 4, 9. So answer 2x cube plus 5x square minus x plus 9. Now example 3.5. If p of x is equal to 4x square minus 3x plus 2x cube plus 5 and q of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 4, then find p of x minus q of x. For the same way, you have to write in a order. P of x is equal to the given one not in a standard form. Write in a standard form 2x cube plus 4x square minus 3x plus 5. Again, you have to listen. For a standard form means you write in order. The powers write in order. Increasing order or decreasing order. 3, 2, 1. Then q of x in the question itself given in order. Now p of x minus q of x. For you have to use a row method, don't use a column method. For the higher class you have to follow this row method. That is first p of x value. For subtraction problem you have to use a bracket minus q of x. So now the p of x value taken, right? The minus is commonly in outside the bracket. So minus take inside, that is minus x square plus into minus minus 2x minus into plus minus. So now you have to simplify. 2x cube values are there? No, just take and write 2x cube. Then x square values, that is 4x square minus x square. So that is 4x square minus x square is there. So that is a plus 3x square. That is a plus 3x square. Next minus 3x minus 2x. That is a minus 5x plus 1. Once again listen. That is 2x cube. Another values, cube values not there. So just take and write. Then x square values 4x square minus x square plus 4 minus 1. So 3x square. Next x value minus 3 minus 2. So that is minus 5x. Next plus 5 minus 4. So that is a plus 1. So answer 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 1.